In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export coordinates from AutoCAD to Excel. By the end, you will have a clean table of X, Y, and Z values ready to use in spreadsheets or reports. All pulled directly from your drawing. Start in AutoCAD with your drawing open in the command line. Type data extraction and press enter. This launches the data extraction wizard, which is designed to gather information from your drawing and package it into a table or a file. When the wizard opens, choose Create a new data extraction. Then click Next. You'll be prompted to save a .dxe file. This file is simply a template that remembers your choices, so you can repeat the process later without starting from scratch. Pick a convenient location and name, save it, and continue. Next, choose Select Objects in the current drawing. This ensures you are only exporting coordinates for the items you specifically choose rather than scanning the entire file. Click the selection icon, then pick the points or blocks you want to export. For blocks, the extraction will use their insertion points. For AutoCAD points, it will use their coordinates directly when you've finished your selection. Press Enter to confirm and return to the wizard. Click Next to move to the filtering stage. In the category filter, uncheck everything except geometry. This focuses the output on the positional data you care about. You'll now see fields like position X, position Y, and position Z. These represent the coordinates of your selected objects. If your work is primarily 2D, expect Z values to be 0 in 3D drawings. You'll see true elevation. Keeping the geometry category only helps avoid unrelated properties cluttering your spreadsheet. Click Next again. Choose Output Data to External File and select either .xls or .csv based on what you prefer to open in Excel. Choose a save location and confirm your file name. Then click Finish to complete the extraction. Now, navigate to the folder where you saved the file and open it in Excel. You'll see your selected objects listed with their position, X position, Y, and position, Z values in columns. These numbers reflect the drawing's units and your current coordinate system, exactly as they exist in AutoCAD. From here, you can sort, filter, or share the data as needed. That's it. Thanks for watching.